Good evening, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another fabulous unboxing from Gbfke. That is www.gbfke.com. Now, before we start, this is an amazing store. They've got a big website. You must go and have a look. Their customer service is excellent. Their products are excellent. And their shipping is really fast. Now about them, Gbfke sells our favorite cross stitches. You guys know that. We love that. They do all the newest beaded cross stitch. They do paint by numbers, diamond painting. And then on top of all of that, they do epoxy molds, wax seal stamps, resin ornaments. And if you want to save a little bit more, you type in my discount code, which is Rella3 for extra 3% off. And for over €59, you get free shipping. Now, before I forget, they also brought back new style cross stitch. So you must go and have a look on the site. They add things and you must really keep an eye on the site. They change things, they load new stock. So keep an eye on that because they are really superb. Now, I've told you about Rella3, 3% off, free shipping for €59 and more. I don't know if I say that correctly, but I'm trying. They are running a Merry Christmas sale. So I think this sale is going to be for a while. The Christmas sale is running along the Halloween sale. The Halloween sale is still for a day. And let me tell you what the Halloween sale is. The Halloween sale is buy 3, get 1 free. So buy 1, get 1 free. Then the more you buy, the more you get free. Then, as well, on top of that, you get an extra 6% off on let me just see, and you can get 6% off on your cross stitches, but hold on, you must count down nicely. And then on DIY crafts, 12% off, and the code's Halloween 6. So you can use that Halloween sale on top of the Christmas sale. The Christmas sale is buy 1, get 10% off, buy 6, get 12% off, buy 13, get 14% off. Now, if you use that with the Halloween sale, you get 20% off and free stitches. What more do you want? That is big savings, people. Alright, so we've all said and done. Let's have a look at this. Now, I'm going to show them to you in the packet. And then I'll put a few in my hand. These are high quality glass beads. And they look fabulous. I just want to make sure they're fabulous. And they are. There's one long bead in here. But they're all the same size. And I've got here, it's like a light gold and purple and pink. Look at that. Beautiful, right? I don't think I want to take them out. They're perfect. Absolute quality this. I've got purple and the rose gold and pink. Amazing. Try it out. There's lots of choices. I will leave in the comment box. My description box. I will leave all the links to the products I show you today. So it's easy for you to find. Now, while I was blabbing along, you are looking at something, and I'm very scared to open it, but we're going to open it. Why? Oh, let me show you. Why. Okay, are you ready? Okay, look. Oh, you guys know DIY is not my favorite brand. I'm just scared I get 20 colors or 25 colors because then I'm not happy because look how beautiful she is. You know, I have opened some of these ladies and they anything from 34 to 36 to 38 colors. So to make this one work, she will have to be the same. So let's have a look. It's a DIY cross stitch, no description, with the beautiful picture in the front. Then the pattern, they normally also put it on this thick shiny film. I don't know if this is durable. Oh my gosh. Oh, my stitches hole. Alright guys, I'm happy. I'm very happy. It's 35 colors from a DIY. You guys remember the time DIY only give us 22, 25, 29. Remember? Wow. Okay, so this will match up perfectly. 35 colors. Well done DIY. It matches up with the with what it should. It's nice. So their pattern is very small. So if you're going to need the pattern, you're going to have to blow it up, and there's 36 colors. Now, I never use this pattern, so it doesn't matter to me. 45 by 45 centimeters. I am surprised, my Stitchy family. A DIY with 35 colors. Oh my soul. Okay, so let's see what's happening here. What is happening here? Okay. There you go. Beautiful printing. The thing with DIY is always just the amount of colors. So this is perfect for me. 45 by 45 centimeters. I don't know why the needles are on both sides. Their needles come one there, one normally. They give you two together. And the printing is fine. The 8-eye is strong. And then what they do with their printing, I like the way they do it here. So what they do is they give you the number that's on your card. They give you your symbol. They give you your DMC code. And the color you're supposed to be working is printed there. Let me show you. I love it. I'm very happy. I'm very happy with this one. I promise you guys. I thought I'm going to be a bit not happy, but I'm super happy. Nice. If they just pick up their colors, they can do so well. They can do so well if they pick up colors. I love this one. Thank you. It is beautiful. Now let's have a look at the colors. And they're all there. It's bright and oh, look at the pinks. Everything that needs to be here. Excellent quality. It's beautiful. And let me show them to you. Now we've got 1 to 18. And then of course our 19 to 35. Very, very happy with this. There you go. Very, very happy. Let me show you together. All of them are there. I am happy with this one. I'm really happy. Nice job. Alright, so while I pack this away, look at that beauty. Ooh la la. I hope she's pretty because I think she's a queen of the sea. A dress made of flowing waves. Alright, so while you're watching there, I want to ask you if it's the first time watching my videos, please press the subscribe button. It is for free. And by doing that, you support me and you help me out. You also motivate me to make more videos. Now, while you're at it, press the like button and leave me a comment in the comment box. I will get back to you also. I know there's a lot of viewers viewing and are not subscribed. Please subscribe. It's for free. You will help me out so much. If you enjoy my videos, it just take that press of that button. Alright, so let's have a look. Didn't I get a packet? I did get a packet. Oh my soul. Okay, so 5 needles, needle threader and a thimble. And the needles are in the test tube. I like it because you can take all your needles from other ones and stick them in there. I love it. I love it. Alright, so here the pattern is printed on my favorite shiny film for durability. Please remember not to get it wet in front. People, do not get this wet. It is not water resistant. Now look-see here. This beautiful lady has 40 colors. She's a 50 by 50 centimeters, 190 stitches by 190 stitches. And the instruction leaflet's printed on your pattern. Oh, she's a goddess. She is pretty, right? Oh, I think she's breathtaking. Alright, so far, 100%. I have opened such beautiful things. Oh, okay, so let's go. Yoshi. Bright white canvas, and this one's 50 by 50, so it's big. There you go. Oh, she's beautiful. So let's search all the way around for our convenience. There's 40 colors, 190 stitches by 190 stitches, 11 count, 50 by 50 centimeters. Printing is extraordinary. Oh, this is beautiful. There's going to be a lot of blue. And there's even a mount. Oh, this is, sorry, but I'm just oohing and eyeing, but this is pretty. I'll actually do something like this first. She's like a queen of the sea. Look at the printing. Beautiful. Beautiful, no smudging. They know what they're doing. It's excellent. Fantastic. I love it. I absolutely love it. Now it's time to look at the pretties. Oh, my Stitchy soul. Let's have a look at this. I'll just repeat myself again. It never gets old opening your new threads. Never, ever, ever, ever. Like you guys know, there is 40 colors, right? Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's just open them like this first. There's a bit of pink. There's a lot of blues and greens, and that's the browns for the mountains and the sand. Oh, this is gonna look amazing. This is really pretty. I really, really adore this. Look at that. There's a lot of ladies that's asking for the sea ladies. Now I'm bringing you sea ladies. And you can go ahead and buy them. They're amazing. I really love them. They're gonna come out pretty. They're oh, what did I want to say? I don't even know. But anyway, I'll get to it now. Alright, so let me pack this away, and while I do this, I just want to thank Gbfke. You guys rock. Thank you so much. Nathan, thank you so much. This is amazing product. Thank you for sending them to me. They're really good. I adore them. Then to you, my viewer, please go and make use of the Halloween and Christmas sale together. You can save so much. And then on top of that, special message for you. Thank you for always watching and supporting me. You know, without you, this is absolutely not possible. Now, till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.